Tonight, we've discovered several families affected by the Los Angeles fires planning to sue. Team 10 investigator Craig Harris sat down with the San Diego attorney who says he already has dozens of clients. And he tells us lawsuits will be filed next week.
Eaton is the fire that hit Pasadena, Altadena, and the surrounding areas. Thus far, they've reported about 4,000 structures that have been damaged or destroyed, at least 5 deaths.
That's San Diego attorney Gerald Singleton. He is one of the nation's top lawyers when it comes to fire-related lawsuits, with cases in California and the devastating wildfires in Maui. During the past 2 decades, his firm has represented over 26,000 victims.
So that's where attorneys that do what we do come in. And what we do is to sue for the gap between what your insurance provides and what your actual losses are. We have experts that are retired law enforcement, retired fire department, and there are cause and origin investigators. So they will be on the ground. I mean, they're not going to go and interfere, but they'll be as close as they can, and they'll give us the information about whether or not this is caused by utility or some other defendant where there may be a lawsuit.
While the cause of the fires in Los Angeles are being investigated, Singleton says there are things people in Southern California can do to protect themselves. Singleton said if there is a fire danger, you need to have some things ready to go. One is a go bag, and make sure you're putting important documents inside with it. The next thing you need to have are your prescriptions. And lastly, you need to make sure you have your dogs or cats ready to go. Singleton said homeowners and renters should double check their policies now to make sure they have enough coverage. He added it's a good time to increase coverage for wildfires if possible. Singleton told me even if you have insurance, it could take up to 2 years to get a home rebuilt because of the devastation. He added that FEMA could provide funds for renters and homeowners, but that's just to get folks on their feet. With photojournalist Gerald Labrador, I'm Craig Harris, Team 10.
Craig, such a reminder, this isn't months, this is years, and the number of contractors now in LA, amazing.
Yeah, they probably won't have enough to come in, even though it's the second largest city in the country. So that's what he told me. It could take a long time, maybe 2 years, to get some homes built.
Oh, so heartbreaking. Thank you, Craig, for that.